Assalamu alaikum. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video you will learn how to fix last line no longer available on iPhone 13. Method 1 is enable network selection. So guys, the first thing you need to do is open your iPhone settings. After opening the settings app, go to mobile data cellular data option. After that, go to network selection. Now turn off automatic network selection for a while. And then turn it on again. Guys, here you can also choose your network manually. Method 2 is clear call history data. To clear it, firstly launch phone application on your iPhone or iPad. Now select recent at the bottom of the page and then click on edit button at the top of the page and then click on clear button. Now click on clear all recents. So guys, after that click on missed button at the top of the middle. Once again click on edit button and click on clear and then click on clear all recents. Method 3 is remove and re-add the data plan. To remove and re-add the data plan, open your iPhone settings. After opening the settings app, go to mobile data cellular data option. After that, swipe down and click on remove data plan. Now it will say this plan will be removed from your iPhone and your subscription will not be cancelled. So you just click on the remove plan. Now wait a while. Then click on add data plan to add your network plan once again. Method 4 is enable and disable a plan mode. To enable and disable it, open the settings app on your iPhone or iPad. After opening the settings application, turn on airplane mode for a while and then turn it off again. That's it. So guys, if you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new updates. Thanks for watching.